Hey honey, what are we doing today?
Hello everybody. So Christmas is coming, so we're going to show you how to make one of our favorite cookies, love nuts. Now this is bacon, this is precise science, so I wrote this all down. And I wish you guys could have seen my half hour where I screwed everything up, turning cups into ounces because we do big batches, but I'm going to put this on Family Talk and Taste so you get the exact recipe. Alright, so these are our ingredients. We need milk, sour cream. In here I have pastry flour, I have regular flour, all-purpose, and baking powder. Sugar, oil, that's vegetable oil. I have 3 eggs, lemon zest, nut Perel for the finished product. Flavor is vanilla. 6x sugar, powdered sugar. There's so many ways to, that's our way. We call it 6x sugar, but it's really powdered sugar. And I'm gonna start with putting all my ingredients in the mixer and we'll be right back.
Make me my favorite cookies.
First thing we do is you put the sugar. Don't forget the exact measurements are gonna be on Family Talk and Taste.
YouTube channel.
Family YouTube channel, yeah. YouTube, oh, you're reminding me now, okay. Next we put our sour cream in. And I'm gonna start by creaming this all nice. So it's basically all the wet ingredients are gonna go first, nice and blended, and then we're gonna put the dry, which is our flour. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna put this on first speed. Nice, we're gonna cream this up, make a nice little paste, and then we're gonna add our eggs. I'm gonna let this go for about 2 minutes and we'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna put our lemon zest. This is gonna give it a nice little tang. We're gonna add our eggs. And we're gonna let this go for maybe for 2-3 minutes on second speed. We'll be right back, guys.
Next, honey.
All right, we're gonna put about a teaspoon of vanilla. Close this up. And I'm gonna put my oil. I'm gonna incorporate all of this. And then I'm gonna start to add my dry ingredients, my flours. 2 flours, all-purpose, pastry flour, and of course our baking powder. We'll be back in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna lower this to first speed, and I'm gonna start adding my dry ingredients. I'm gonna add them like a quarter at a time. And like I said, Family Talk and Taste YouTube, that's what all the exact measurements will be. You don't wanna add this when it's in second or third speed, or you're gonna have like a big dust storm.
And we don't like dust storms in my kitchen.
No. This is a typical Italian cookie, the love nut. A lot of people make it in a different way. People use butter. Some people use other kinds of lard and all that other stuff. We use sour cream because we think that gives it the best flavor. I'm gonna incorporate all the flour and then let it go in second speed, but when I change the speed, we'll be back, all right, guys?
Okay, love.
All right, so I'm gonna let this go for maybe another 10 seconds. I got a half a pan here with some flour just so it doesn't stick. I'm gonna take it out of the bowl and I'm gonna put it on here and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for about an hour and a half, just to let it cool off, let it rest a little bit. And then we're gonna start rolling our love nuts. We'll be back.
Okay, so the dough's ready?
Yeah, we let the dough rest for about an hour and a half in the refrigerator. I mean, you can keep it longer. It's not gonna go bad. So this is the way we do it. We put a little bit of flour here just to roll this out like this, right? We do about 2 hands spread out, right? Now we cut it all into little pieces, about 1 inch long. Listen, you can do whatever makes you feel comfortable, you know what I'm saying? You can do them like this, and then all you do is just make a knot. That's it.
Show them how you did that again, because I wouldn't get that.
So you roll it to look, the size of your palm, all right? If you need to stretch it, that's it. And then you line them up on your pan.
So you're rolling the love nuts.
We're rolling love nuts. Here you are. keep a little bit of flour in your hand. There's a bit of a sticky dough. I go 4 across and 4 down. We're gonna roll some more, and then we're gonna show you guys in the oven. I put these in the oven about 50 minutes for about 360 the oven. Like Madeline always says, what do you always say about the ovens?
All ovens vary.
All ovens vary, that's it. But you're making the knot. As bad as you think they might look when they bake, they'll be perfectly fine because they're gonna take the shape up of the knot after they bake. Because don't forget, there's baking powder here. And a good rule of thumb for baking powder, baking powder is baking powder makes it puff up. Get the P? So whatever you put baking powder, like in a cream puff mix, makes whatever you're mixing puff up. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hey, we're back.
All right, so look at this. We're home. We're rigging over here. We got the bottom of something that was in the stove. We're going to use that as a screen, but we're making the icing for our love knots. So we're going to take powdered sugar, okay? And this is not an exact science, but I'll put it in the YouTube Family Talk and Taste. You get milk or heavy cream. Now just start off with a little bit, just a tablespoon or 2, and you whisk it. See how I'm whisking it?
I promise I'll have everything for you in the new kitchen. This is not our regular kitchen.
No, but, and you're looking for a nice combined, but not too thick, not too thin. It's kind of hard to explain, but see, you want it to be a little runny. That's actually a little too runny. I'll put a little bit more powdered sugar. And don't forget, guys, it's always good to put a little bit less of the liquid and add a little bit of the dry, because then if you add too much liquid, it's basically not good anymore. See, look at that. That's what you want. That's the consistency you want.
Beautiful.
Right? So now we take our cookies, we dip them in, we take our cookie, we dip them in, and before they dry up, we sprinkle on a little bit of our sprinkles. How's that? See how beautiful they are? And we could just keep on going.
What do we call those?
Nopperel seeds.
But you could use sprinkles if you wanted to.
You could use sprinkles. They make sprinkles with Christmas trees on them at this time. They make them all kinds of ways.
But these are the original, right?
But that's the original way. This is the way we did it at the bakery. This is the way your father showed me how to do it.
That's right.
And this is the way Sal did them. This is the way your brother did them. And this is the way I do them.
Beautiful.
Yep. Enjoy your Christmas. Wait, I want to taste one right now. Can I taste it?
Yeah.
I'll taste one right now. They are good. They're delicious. Another way to do this too with the powdered sugar is to put a bit of lemon juice and a little bit of water. Thin it down the same way when you see that nice consistency, and then you put a little bit of nopperel and there'll be a little bit of lemony. They're delicious. We'll see you guys. Oops. Enjoy your holidays.
A lemon twist.
Lemon twist.
Bye.
All righty. Look at that.
They look beautiful. You gotta let me taste them. You made
them
for me. Love knot. Are we in a love knot?
We're in a love knot.
Mm. Oh my God. Just the way we made them at the bakery.
Delicious. Happy holidays, everyone. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Buon Natale.